Are you an architect with a passion for design and freedom? Ever dreamed of becoming your own boss and working on exciting projects from anywhere? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore how you can start your career as a successful freelance architect, step by step. Before you dive in, it's essential to understand what freelancing is all about. Freelance architects are independent professionals who work on a contract basis, offering architectural services to various clients. You're your own boss, managing your schedule, clients, and projects. One of the most critical steps is creating a compelling portfolio. Your portfolio is your ticket to attracting clients. Showcase your best work, from conceptual designs to completed projects, and don't forget to highlight your versatility and skill set. To stand out in the competitive freelance market, consider specializing in a niche. Whether it's residential architecture, sustainable designs, urban planning, or interior architecture, defining your expertise will help you attract the right clients. Starting a freelance architecture career also involves some legal and financial groundwork. Register your business, set up a separate business bank account, and consider getting professional liability insurance. Proper contracts and invoicing systems are crucial for smooth operations. Networking is key to landing your first freelance projects. Attend industry events, engage on platforms like LinkedIn, and connect with other architects, contractors, and potential clients. Don't forget to leverage word-of-mouth referrals and online freelance platforms. Setting the right rates is essential for freelancing success. Research what other freelance architects are charging and find a balance that reflects your experience and skills. Also, time management is crucial. Use tools like Trello or Asana to keep track of your projects and deadlines. As a freelancer, you must actively market your services. Create a website, share your projects on social media, and use SEO strategies to drive traffic to your site. Don't forget to ask clients for testimonials to build your credibility. To stay ahead in the competitive freelance market, continuous learning is key. Attend workshops, webinars, and stay updated with industry trends. Upskilling in software like Revit, AutoCAD, or SketchUp can set you apart from other freelancers. Starting your freelance career as an architect can be incredibly rewarding. By building a strong portfolio, networking, setting your rates, and continuously improving your skills, you can carve out a successful path. Need more personalized advice or training to kickstart your freelance architecture career? Contact me for consulting.